Greetings, South Africa. My name is Jonathan Deal and I'm the founder of Safe Citizen. This message to you today is a call to action. It is a call to become, as dearsouthafrica.co.za puts it, democratically engaged, accountable and responsible. It is a call for you to become involved in assisting South Africans to develop a unifying ideology around safety and security in their communities, wherever they live, wherever they work, wherever their children grow up, and whatever they do. Last night at the State of the Nation address, President Ramaphosa made a very specific reference to firearms legislation. Most of us know, certainly the Safe Citizen members know, about the plans of the African National Congress to reintroduce the failed Firearms Control Amendment Bill that was floated in 2021. This bill is going to be presented to us probably in March, and if it were to pass, it will bring about nothing short of a complete devolution of public safety. It is being floated as something that enhances South African safety in the public and something that attends to violent crime involving the use of firearms. It has absolutely nothing to do with addressing the root causes of crime and violent crime in this country, the root causes of illicit and unlicensed firearms in this country. And it actually just targets the one group that should not be targeted, which is lawful firearm owners. What you can do today is to share this message with every person that you know. If each one of you choose only 10 people who have not heard it before, who become sensitized and alert to this, you will have done a good work. Please consider that out of the more than 60 million people in South Africa, the vast majority of them are completely unaware of this debate. They are completely unaware that if the ANC were to succeed in enforcing that legislation that they would like to do, they will bring about a devolution of the safety and security of the people in this country who are already laboring under a very high crime rate. I'm calling on each and every one of you that hears this message to send it around. Become democratically engaged, accountable and responsible. We will do this in a law-abiding manner. We will use the democratic processes that are available to us. And if we are wise as South Africans, we will unite behind this ideology of safety and security at the next opportunity to vote and send this message and any government that may be in charge of the rules and laws of this country, a clear message that the people are speaking about safety and security. We want to be safe and we want to be secure. We do not want the laws and rules in this country to be used as a political football. Please join me in this and share this message.